Hi, I'm Dan from Worldwide Boat Brokers in Airlie Beach, and today we're on a vessel called Sylvia. She's a Jeanneau 44DS, stands for deck saloon. She's a 2015 model. It's had one owner, and that one owner, he pretty much never used the boat. It's got extremely low hours, but it's been well maintained and upgraded along the years. Hence the new bimini, spray dodger, clears, upgraded navigation instruments, and as you'll see on the tour today, it's in near new condition. Not even the cutlery, glasses and plates have even been opened from the factory. So let's go have a look. So on board Sylvia, you have a 360 dock and go system. It makes docking really simple, kind of like parking for dummies. So I'll just run you through it. We have the start control panel for the Yanmar and the gear throttles forward and aft down below. And you have a bow thruster. So you can drive the boat traditionally with just forward and reverse gears and the thruster. But if you want to do a spin on the spot or walk the boat sideways, you can change over to the joystick. Push and hold, wheel centers itself. You no longer have control of the helm, and it's all done by the joystick. Simply just twist the top of the joystick. What it's doing is it's turning the 360 pod in any direction while working in unison with the bow thruster. You can also just push the joystick to the side, and she would walk the whole boat sideways off the dock or onto the dock. It's perfect for manoeuvring in tight situations. The vessel can be sailed from the cockpit. You have electric winch on port and starboard for hoisting your mainsail. Plenty of little line holders all around. Another cool little feature, you got handholds all around that are recessed in the ceiling. Very minimal, hidden away. Another beautiful feature of the saloon is the dining table. Change from a dining table back to a coffee table. If you have extra guests, pop down saloon into another double bed. Sylvia definitely has an abundant amount of storage.